Unique facts about Portuguese Man O War. Even though they are often called jellyfish and they are related, even though they look like a single organism, Portuguese is actually a colony. They are not just one, but thousands of different microscopic animals that combined into one superorganism. This animal is called the Portuguese Man O War because the shape of this animal is considered similar to the Portuguese man of war warship of the 18th century. Portuguese Man O War stings can cause excruciating pain, itching, and rashes on the skin until go to the hospital.